Will HDB prices plunge? Now, on 20th August, the government made a big announcement in terms of changes to the loan to value for HDB, lowering it from 80% to 75%. This is a significant cooling measure since the last one in 2021. So how does this impact buyers in the HDB market? Well, let me give you an example. A few months ago, we had a young couple buying their first home in Singapore. So they have a total income of 10,000, and what happened was that they managed to buy a HDB for 675,000 in Woodlands, a lovely 5-room flat, just walking distance to the Woodlands MRT station. Now, if they had delayed their purchase to after 20th of August, then what would have happened is that they would have to fork out another $33,750 from their own cash portion or even from their CPF. This also means that they may have to sacrifice a bit of their renovation budget, or perhaps they should be looking at a smaller flat at this point of time, or even further away from the MRT station. So does this mean that the HDB market will plunge? Well, I would say that a lot of buyers do have a good price range. So what will happen is that probably all these buyers may start to compromise in terms of size, distance from the MRT station, or perhaps they will look into the private sector. So HDB market will start to see a little bit of a stagnation. They might see a little bit of a slowdown in terms of price increment, and that is precisely what the government wants, because HDB is ultimately meant to be a home and not something for investment. So the government also implemented some enhanced housing grants. So what does this mean? It basically means that the lower income families will get a boost. So for example, a family earning less than 4K per month in total, what they will enjoy are the following. So for example, if this is a first time family, then what happens is that they will enjoy a CPF housing grant of 80K. On top of that, because they will be eligible for the enhanced housing grant, they will enjoy another 80K. And if they choose to live near their parents, they will get approximately a grant of 20K. So that's a whopping 180K in terms of subsidies. When we did the calculations, basically what we're looking at is probably a 400K HDB for them, and they can find something about 3-room size near to the central, near to MRT stations. And these are probably flats that are built before 1995. So what we're going to be seeing coming up next will most likely be a small price increment for the 3-room flats, possibly 4-room flats as well because of all these enhanced housing grants, and we might see a stagnation for the 5 rooms and above because they do not enjoy as much grants, and of course they are more greatly impacted by the change in terms of the loan to value. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at the Property Runway. See you soon!